a client was experiencing costly problems with their offshore modules. The converted sea containers are used as offices, mess halls, and first aid rooms on offshore rigs. The steel cable that's secured to and used to crane the modules into position rubs against and strips the paint off the roof of the module. Given the environment, the salt water quickly corrodes the exposed steel. This leads to considerable cost in refurbishing the damaged modules, as well as time wasted whilst new modules are delivered on site to replace the damaged ones. After discussions with the client and finding out their specific needs, environmental conditions and usage, it was decided the Line-X XS350 would be the most suitable compound for the job. XS350's unrivaled strength characteristics and supreme resistance to corrosive chemicals made it an ideal choice in an environment where salt water quickly corrodes any exposed material. The area to be Line-X'd would include the roof of the module and down all the sides approximately 300 mm. The first step is to mask up the module to protect it when blasting. There are two reasons for blasting the steel. One is to get rid of the existing rust or paint, and the other is to increase the surface area of the steel, creating a stronger mechanical bond. We then apply a Line-X Fast Cure Primer, FCP, which adds a further strength to the Line-X bond. The Line-X is then applied, starting with a thin coat around the mounting pin, then building up to approximately 3 mm on the roof and sides of the module. A UV top coat is applied immediately after the Line-X to prevent the color fading from exposure to the sun. Line-X provided a high-impact and abrasion-resistant coating to the roof of the module, greatly extending their lifespan. The procedure allowed the wire cables to be left on the roof of the module without the worry of rust and corrosion, saving the company money on repairs.